Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I created this pastel rainbow halo eye inspired by Amy the Mermaid X over on Instagram. More specifically, it was inspired by her hair, if you didn't catch that. She's had it for a long time and I think she looks really good with it. So if you want to know how I recreated it on my eyes, then keep on watching. You already know the drill, just going to prime my lids with my M421 brush and the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Now I'm going to buff this in using my M173 brush. First, on an M456 brush, I'm going to put bubblegum from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Jawbreaker palette above my crease. And above that, I'm going to blend in Good Morning. Now, on an M433 brush, I'm going to blend in Gumdrop right underneath bubblegum. Next, on an M431 brush, I'm going to put the shade Cute right underneath Gumdrop. Now going back in with that M433 with a little bit of Gumdrop in my crease. Then I'm going to pack in a little bit more of Cute to help intensify it. Now I'm going to just grab my ColourPop concealer on my M421 brush and put a tiniest bit on the center of my lid. I'm going to take a little bit more of Cute on the outer and inner corners. Now on that same brush I'm going to pick up Sour and put that a little bit closer to the center of my lid. Lastly, I'm going to put Wow on the center of my lid. I'm going to go back in with all the colors that we used to help intensify it, do the other eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, let's pause the eyes and start working on the face. First, I'm going to prime using my Benefit Professional Primer. Now for foundation, like usual, going in with my ColourPop No Filter Foundation Stick. And I'm going to blend this out using my Morphe sponge. Now I'm going to lightly conceal the highest points of my face using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to set everywhere that we just concealed using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder in the shade 05. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face using a Morphe M527 brush and the Maybelline Fit Me Translucent Pressed Powder. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can finish off the lower lash line. So I'm going to do my lash line relatively the same. I'm going to put purple on my outer corners, then that Cute color, and then the Sour, and then yellow right in the center, and then I'm going to blend out the edges of the purple with some of that pink. First, I'm taking an M506 brush with Gumdrop on the inner and outer corners. Next, on that same brush, I'm going to take Cute. Next, I'm going to switch to an M431 brush for Sour and Wow. Now I'm taking bubblegum and blending out the edges of that purple. Alright, the eyes are all done, so now let's finish off the face. First, I'm going to contour using my Morphe E4 brush and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. Now for blush, I'm going to use my Morphe M405 brush and the ColourPop Super Shock Blush in the shade Holiday. Last but not least, for highlight, I'm going to pick up Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit on a wet M501 brush. Lastly, for lips, I'm going to apply I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star on the outside of my lips, and then on the inner part, I'm going to use Diva. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!